Their twin lights crown the hill so grand, guiding sailors safely to land. The first twin towers rose in time, in 1828 they shined.
For nearly 90 years their light guided ships through day and night. Here many milestones first began, advancing navigation across the land.
Begin inside the museum hall,
where history welcomes one and all.
learn how keepers served with care, helping every sailor there.
Then climb the North Tower's 64 stairs for breathtaking views beyond compare. The Atlantic, Sandy Hook, and harbor wide stretch far beneath on every side.
See Raritan Bay and New York shore, the skyline rising evermore.
The Verrazano Bridge appears, while rivers wind through marshes near. Now climb the South Tower standing near,
Home to the great Fresnel lens for many a year. Its sweeping coastal views delight, and frame the lighthouse in perfect sight. Look across the shining bay, where ocean waters meet the day. Photographers often linger long, capturing scenes both grand and strong. Why two towers side by side, to help each passing ship decide? By day their shapes, by night their light, guided mariners through the night. Before you leave, look out once more, across the bay and ocean shore. Here history, science, sea and sky meet in one unforgettable sight.